Welcome to this edition of CPWN. I'm Clarence Ponstralia. Well, as I mentioned in the last video, this is it. I'm in New Buffalo, Michigan, right along Lake Michigan. And this is my first time to not only the city of New Buffalo, but the state of Michigan. I took Indiana 39 from my parents' house all the way up here. And let's take a look in front of me because I'm along Lake Michigan. Now I'm gonna go a little bit closer to that area over there, given the rain doesn't start to really fall. This is what it really looks like. There's a playground. And as I mentioned, this lighthouse, very iconic lighthouse for the city. And there are the dunes next to it as well. So let's get closer to the shoreline. So here I am right next to the water. Let's take a panoramic view of where I'm standing. So this is facing due away from the shoreline, the water. You see a couple of beach houses. Look at that iconic view of those trees and the shoreline, and note the sand color, much darker compared to the Gulf Coast area. And also to note too, we have rocks. Might take a few of these back south. And you can see the other end of the shoreline. Now, I'm gonna dip my toes into this water. Gonna take my flip-flops off. Wait for it. Now this is September. And even though the water's right as warm as during any given time of the year, it's still refreshing cold. You feel that. Feel those waves coming in. You can hear the waves as well. So there you have it. New Buffalo, Michigan, and in Michigan for the very first time. That will conclude this edition of CPWN. Clarence Ponstralia saying, have a nice day or evening if it's nighttime. Goodbye.